Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Facebook Reels tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you how to simply change background in your Facebook Reels without any stress. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do, open up your Facebook app. I'm going to open up your Facebook app. Go ahead and click on your profile icon. And scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on Reels. Then go ahead and click on Create Reel. Then slide in this way. Go ahead and click on Green Screen. And here we go. Now, let's say, for instance, I want to change this particular background right here. So you have so many background right here that you can easily switch into. However, you can, these are for scenes right here. You can also switch to camera roll right here, which allow you to, let's switch to camera roll. Then here, you can easily use your personal background as the case may be. Let's say, for instance, I want to use any of the image. So right here, you can easily change to your background right here. So I'm going to go ahead and access from Facebook right here. And I'll go ahead and search on Google. I will open up my Chrome right here. Then I will simply create a new tab. On my Chrome right here, I will simply search for beautiful living room background images HD and hit send. So here we go. We have different beautiful backgrounds right here. I'm going to go ahead and click on images right here. Okay, so I'm going to select this one right here. So this particular image right here, I'm going to use it as my background. So what we want to do here is to simply make a screenshot. Then after make a screenshot, we want to make sure we crop the area we don't want. Here, crop as much as possible. Crop the sides. Okay, I'm going to save now. Next thing I'm going to do is to go back to my Facebook Reels right here. Then under my camera roll, I will have to make sure I select it. I'm going to go ahead and select the picture right here. Just like so. Now you have the background fully changed without any stress. Then you can start your Facebook Reels. So for that, once you change the background, go ahead and click on Done right here. Now you have a new background. The next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and hit on record right here. Then you can start click on it and then you are done and you have your video right here. You can easily click on here to move to the next part and go ahead and right here you can see the video right here. Enter your video title right here and then hashtag as the case may be. To go ahead and enter my video title and call this new video. Once you enter your video title, go ahead and enter the hashtag. Hashtag Facebook. Hashtag Reels video So you can add as many as possible hashtag as the case may be. Scroll down right here and then go ahead and hit on share now. And the video will be posted into your Facebook Reels. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.